Hello everyone. Maybe headlines. Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to this weekly video of the 2nd of March till the 8th of March. This is actually the third time of me recording this video. The first time I didn't record the right screen, and then I was like, the second time I can do it in Dutch. As you now have like a dubbed voice, so you can sort of add multiple languages. So I thought it would be funny if I do that. I cannot do that yet, so that's why we are doing this again now on Tuesday. So looking back at last week, I think there were a few things which went well and a few things which didn't go well or could have been better. The first thing is, I would say, the amount of steps, my steps, good. Like you can see it here as well. I've made it bold. Um, it's good. It's the only Tuesday was the only day where I didn't do a lot of steps, but like the other days, good steps, which also means on average 5,400 steps. It's solid. Um, I would say calories, like amount of calories was good, but the issue was what I ate. They You had the Ben and Jerry ice cream, which was in the discount for 50%, which from the supermarket, which is 3 minutes away. Um, so I ate like a few, but then it's like if you eat one, that's really half your calories for the day. And then what I would do is like you eat that and maybe dinner, like. But even though, damn, so much sound. Even though then you're still within your sort of amount of calories, it's not good. It's not healthy. So I think that's for me for this week, something to focus on for this week and coming weeks of having eating healthy food. Which, as you already can see, yesterday I wasn't a good day. I would say it was a bad day for sure. Um, Other than that, like my time waking up, it doesn't bother me that much. I think it's fine. Like sometimes the word issues, but like I did bring my phone to bed a few days, which isn't good. I think that's more of a concern, as like you just sleep later, and when you wake up, you first go on your phone, like first thing in the morning, which isn't good because you just lay in bed. Um, Anki, I would say the average amount of Anki I did, which is like 81. That's a lot. It's quite good, but it's too focused on certain days. Like on Tuesday and Wednesday, I did a lot, and that's an issue because with Anki, it's first you go through your reviews through your old cards, and then you start learning your new cards. But when doing it like this, with not being consistent enough, it's just you don't hit. At least on these days, I don't hit new cards, so it's just revising old cards. Um, then the worst thing was I didn't do any sports that week. I think that's the worst. I don't know. It felt because I had a deadline for my thesis. That's like, oh, I have to really focus on that, put a lot of effort in that. But that shouldn't be sort of influencing my sporting. I think there should still be enough time to go swimming or go to the gym. Like, I have enough time to work on my school stuff, so there should also be time to go sport. And that's something which I want to work on this week. So I have swimming plans tonight at 10, and then tomorrow with Wouter, a like, yeah, fitness circuits type shit. Yeah, stretching 0 to 0. I'm not sure how if I will do that more. I could just try it, like just some small stuff. And other than that, yeah, I worked on my thesis quite a bit that week. I think 4 times, but that's mostly because I had a deadline last Wednesday, and then tomorrow, which is also Wednesday, I have a meeting about it. So it's still prepping as well this week. Mm, so yeah, that's the schedule of this week. I think I thought about it yesterday night. I think I might make a day in the life, like a realistic day in the life of my life, um, which I'm trying to see. I think I can. I'll film that on Friday. I think because it's also fun because I have to work on Friday, so it takes a bit of that. I also maybe film up stuff there, so it's quite fun to see what a day in the life of me looks like. But then I have to edit it as well and stuff. But so there's much to look forward to. So I would like to give a shout out to the people watching it on their couch, on the TV. Give a shout out to the people who get notifications from my YouTube videos. And then give a shout out to everyone else. I think everyone is so important here. That's I applied for the Yanchen Global Symposium in China. Didn't get in, so I privated that video. It wasn't that good of a video. That's yeah, and I'll try and see maybe if I get the dubbed audio as an option to do later. I'll add the first version of this video I made with the two audios to see how that works. Yeah, so then I'll see you guys next week.